Hi! In today's video from Expert Success Academy, we will talk about how to move from 5-figure per year to 5-figure per month. I can't wait to reveal this secret to you. Warm welcome to today's training, where I will speak about the secret to moving from 5-figure per year to 5-figure per month. But before that, let me tell you that the growth of your expert business happens in different stages, right? And the first stage is when you get your first clients. And it usually correlates also with how much you earn in your business, but it does not necessarily need to. So this first stage is when you are gathering the clarity who you are as an expert, who you want to work with, and what you are doing for them. So these are really like business fundamentals, and you need to have already some clarity about that. And because we know that clarity is always acquired with action, you need to be in action. We rather have the clarity before we start. If you just start in your business, so this message is for you. You need to try to work with as many people as possible to find out what really you are the best in and what will be your niche. Because the second stage, the growth phase, as I call it, it's when you really want to move from 5 figures per year to 5 figures per month, and you need to have the clarity already for this stage. So what I see happening a lot is that many experts actually stay in this very first stage for a very long time. So they don't make a decision to in what subject, in what topic they want to be number one expert in their field, industry leader. And because they are not, and they are working in many directions, they actually don't charge such a high prices. They always customize their offers, and they are not earning as much as they could. If you are in this stage, it's not to blame you, and you should not also blame yourself, because there is not enough information available for you. I think that all the information we receive, and there is a lot, is quite general, and we don't know always what to apply. I think that all the mentors need to be more aware of and talking about these stages and what is important to you at what stage. And that's why I started with these stages. So when you are starting this something different, right? The advice will be different. And now coming to the stage when you already had your first or even more clients, because you are still in this stage, now how to move to the different stage, to the upper stage, when you start to earn what you have earned per year, you start to earn per month. What is the secret? Many people think that it's mindset. And of course, mindset is very important. But the mindset is important, 100% important in all stages. Doesn't matter if you start. You need to have the first confidence to go out, to sell. The second stage, again, after, when you are scaling it, you need also different type of confidence, different type of drive. So mindset is having the supportive mindset is important anytime. But talking particularly about the business strategies and what to do to move business-wise from the starting stage to the growing stage is the offer. I have seen it, I wasn't aware, but it emerged as a pattern when I was talking to many experts through just having the conversation with them on the coffee chat or meeting them in networking event, talking to really thousands of experts during my 10 years in this industry, I can tell you that the number one problem, but also the solution, is the offer. And what I mean by offer is, first of all, is in the offer, there are three layers. First one is like the fundamentals of your business. And these are the three things with you need the clarity of. This is what I talked in the beginning. You need the clarity to know who you want to work with, what you want to offer them, for how much. And already in these business fundamentals, sometimes is not the right. So maybe these experts, they were not working with the right type of clients, or they were not charging the right price, or maybe they were not offering the right type of products. Either one or all three can be cause of not achieving enough impact and income in your business. So this part of the offer fundamentals, this is really, really important, because as the fundamentals, if you don't have this right, everything after will not work. But it's not all. Maybe you have already this part right. That's fine. That's great. So what is the next? The next layer of the offer is the sales part. How to make an offer easy to sell. And this comes down to mostly two aspects, two factors. And the one is to be very clear on what transformation you offer and what is the process you use it. So let me elaborate. We are in a transformational business because we are not selling the products, we are selling services, and people want to achieve something. They want to transform. They want to change, obviously from bad to good. We are the guides. We are those who are helping them to achieve that. So to be very clear on the transformation you offer, this is a critical sales aspect of your offer. And the second process is maybe there are also other people who are providing the same solution or working on the same solution, but they are doing using different type of modalities, different ways of achieving it as you. So your process might be a differentiator, but it can be and it should be the very strong sales argument in your offer. And now we are coming to the third layer of your offer, and this is marketing. Sometimes, even when great experts, they already manage to have everything great from the fundamentals, business part, from the sales part, they still suck in marketing. So the marketing part is the last layer, when you need to explain it to your potential partner the way that they get it, that they are excited about the offer, that they can charge, they can decide if the offer is for them, and if the offer is the right offer for them, that they accept and they are glad about it. And that's the marketing, the last part. So you see, offer is a little bit more complex as maybe what you have thought in the beginning. It comes really with a business decision, with the sales aspects, and also marketing part. And I get it that this is not easy. It's very hard to see it when we are the part of it, right? So what really helps to have somebody who is external to it, who can observe it from a different perspective, who can have a look at your business and to see if all parts of your offer are great and your offer is something which will help you to move you from 5 figures per year to 5 figures per month. And I get it that it's difficult to do alone, and that's why I want to invite you to my workshop where we can do it together. We can co-create an either completely new, so design your new premium offer, or just redesign your existing offer so that it is transformational, that it is easy to sell, that people get it, that you have more yeses, and that you can achieve more impact and income. You will find details in the comments below. I can't wait to work on your offer together. Sign up now. See you there.